You've heard of chicken cordon bleu? Well, today we're going to take it in a different direction and make it into a burger. Come on, everybody! Let's start cooking! Hey, welcome back to Annie's Smoking Pot. I, of course, am Annie. This is my tiny kitchen and big flavors. Today is part of a collaboration. It's called #SummerCookingFun, and it's being hosted by Rich over at Just Cook the Damn Food. The way this collaboration worked is a little different. He called out 10 YouTube chefs to create something that is summertime fun. And he asked us each to call out 3 other channels to keep it going. I did my research to see who hadn't been called out yet, reached out to some friends of mine. So I have reached out to, we have got right here, we've got John over at Okie Smokin', we've got Andrea from Andrea's Kitchen, and we've got Kevin from Murph's Kitchen. I will, of course, put links to all their channels in the description below, including Just Cook the Damn Food and Rich. Check out their channels, even just for this collaboration, but go beyond that because they are some amazing YouTube chefs that cook up some great food, like what we're gonna do today. As you can tell, I've already got my bun toasting because you guys know what a toasted bun looks like. You don't need to watch me toast it. We're gonna go ahead and take that off because that is hot. Shall we create chicken cordon bleu burger? Not everybody likes meat, or red meat, I should say. And not everybody can eat red meat. So I decided to take my burger series with ground chicken and make something up that maybe other people are going to enjoy as well. First thing we want to do though is season up that chicken. We have got some smoky paprika because that's going to add some flavor, because if you know ground chicken, it has no flavor. And some salt and pepper. Some beautiful fresh herbs. Now this is just some Italian parsley that I got at the store, but these are chives. These chives I got from my amazing little granddaughters. They are part of a communal garden at their local Boys and Girls Club. And so throughout the summer, they are always bringing me delicious fresh vegetables and herbs. And they brought me these yesterday. So I'm like, you know what? Let's use some of them because they brought me a lot. Believe me, I mean a lot. As some of you already know, I was working with a bum foot for a while. 9 weeks later, finally got my cast. Isn't it lovely? My granddaughters decorated it for me to make it pretty. I have got 4 fractures in my foot. Even though I'm casted, I am supposed to stay off my foot completely, which is why I've only been uploading every other week right now, because I'm not supposed to be doing this at all, but I can't leave you hanging. And I've got so many great ideas in this brain that I got to get out there. So that's what we're doing every other week for now. I promise we'll get back up into a weekly episode, but right now, bear with me until I'm healed up. Take those herbs, let's add it to our chicken. And these little scraps right here don't go to waste here at Annie's Smoking Pot. They'll make it into my stock. Now mix. You want to make sure and mix all of those herbs and seasonings really well into the patty, because you don't want to get like a big old bite of a chive or a big old bite of that smoky paprika. Oh, just like that. Looks great. And then we're going to divide it in half, because we are taking this chicken cordon bleu burger. We're taking it in a different direction. It's going to sound pretty basic. Just wait till the end and you'll see what I'm talking about. To this patty, we are going to add a slice of Swiss cheese and some ham. This is an uncured honey ham, and it is fantastic. Absolutely delicious. Make our patty a little bit bigger. And if it sticks out on the ends, it's okay. It's all going to the same place. Put another patty right on top of there. And we're going to try to push the ends together just a little bit. Like I said, if it sticks out a little bit, it sticks out a little bit. It's okay. And into our pan that I did put some oil in, because it is ground chicken. It does tend to stick. Ooh. Listen to that sizzle. Because it is chicken, you've got to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. So you don't want to scorch it on a high heat like you would beef. Beef, if it's a little pink in the center, is perfectly fine. Chicken, not so much. So I've turned it down to about a medium-ish heat, and we're going to kind of go a little low and slow on it. Let it sit on that first side till it's nice and caramelized before you flip it. And now it'll take a little bit longer to cook through. That's a beautiful caramelization, isn't it? Our burger is just about done. You want to take it to a temp of 165 internally. So we're about there. Let's get our bun ready. Kewpie mayonnaise, stone ground mustard, and honey. It is going to be delicious with that uncured honey ham that we've got going on. Right onto the bun. And if you've watched my other burger episodes, which I'm sure you have, if you haven't, I hope you do. My theory on a burger is if you don't have juices running down your arm, it's not a good burger. You got to have those juices. You just have to. We're going to go ahead and put that right there. Let that rest. And you're probably wondering, why did I have some leftover ham and Swiss cheese? We're going to make it a double decker. We're just going to put that right in the pan, heat it through, and top it with our cheese. And cap it off and let it melt, obviously. Oh, perfect. And right on top. And there you have it. Annie's Smoking Pot double-decker chicken cordon bleu burger for hashtag summer cooking fun. I do this a lot when I emphasize my words. Now I'm serving it with a little side salad. So we're gonna go ahead and dress that. Just a little bit of balsamic vinegar and olive oil, because the acidity of this is going to go great with the sweetness of that burger. Here's my favorite part, cutting into it and eating it, of course. Now the fun part, I get to taste it. Oh boy, howdy. Oh, wow. Double decker it. Put the ham and the Swiss cheese on top as well. It is so flavorful. You can see the gorgeous chive and the parsley that's in there. Oh, look, you see that juice dripping? Look at that. All right. Anyway, there you have it. Annie's Smoking Pot chicken cordon bleu burger, hashtag summer cooking fun. Check out the channels in the link in the description below and see what else everybody's cooked up for you. And until next time, thank you so much for joining me here again. Have a great day. Bye.